Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something special for all you chainsaw enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of top-quality chainsaw parts with the Mikatesi 1127-120-0650 MS290 Carburetor Carb with Air Filter Fuel Line Repower Kit for Stihl MS290 MS310 MS390. Now, let me tell you, if you're in the market for the best Stihl MS290 air filter, look no further. This kit right here is a game changer. First off, let's talk about quality. This carburetor kit is crafted with precision and durability in mind. It's a brand new, high-quality aftermarket kit, built to meet and exceed your expectations. And check out this air filter. It's designed to keep your chainsaw running smoothly by effectively trapping dirt and debris, ensuring optimal performance every time you fire up your Stihl MS290. But wait, there's more. With this kit, you not only get the carburetor and air filter but also the fuel line repower kit. Everything you need to revitalize your chainsaw and get it back to peak performance. Now, let's talk fitment. This kit is designed to seamlessly fit Stihl MS290, MS310, and MS390 models, as well as the 029 and 039 chainsaws. So, no matter which model you've got, you can trust that this kit will have you covered. And here's the cherry on top, a 90-day hassle-free return and money-back guarantee. That's right, if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, just send it back, no questions asked. So, there you have it, folks. The Mikatesi 1127-120-0650 MS290 Carburetor Carb with Air Filter Fuel Line Repower Kit. The ultimate solution for all your Stihl MS290 chainsaw needs. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Until next time, happy sawing!